Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, it's a day in my life and what we eat in a day. So I remember I've not done an intro and I decided to give you guys one. So right now we are in the hospital. My daughter is not feeling well. She's having running stomach, so we came to check why she's having running stomach. If you are new here, my name is Jessica Chunyovek. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Nigeria, Abuja. I'm a mom of one. I'm married to a Slovak. If this is what you're interested in, kindly subscribe, like, share, and comment. So my YouTube is all about DIY for hair growth, family, and vlog. If this is what you're interested in, kindly stay tuned. So right now we're waiting for the doctor, and when the doctor attend to us, and we'll go home. So I'll see you in the next clip. Just came back. Baby girl is really hungry. I need to I need to cook food for her. I'm doing some free food for her. Then we'll relax. I did not. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next clip. Yeah. Bye for now. See you in the next clip. Keep on watching. Okay? Vegetable soup and antelope, that is bushmeat. Vegetables and goat meat. This is
music that can rhyme with what them to post. And they give me Nigerian music. They give me Paulada. They give me holiday. They give me Sabinus. I said, oh, what is this song? I remember. I go there. On the bus, I said, nonsense. What nonsense? When they give me, I tell them, I don't want Nigerian music. You are off my location. Your location is 27. They give me Paulada. They give me who's your guy? Who's your guy for? Something I won't post.
so I've already mixed the dough already. Okay, so to just mix the dough, you add flour. I used 500 grams of flour, 2 tablespoons of yeast, a teaspoon of sugar, and half teaspoon of salt, and warm water, and I mix the dough and allow the dough to rise. After 1 hour, your dough is ready. So I'm just mixing the dough with the flour and using my rolling pin to roll it to the shape I want for my pizza. I'm just goofing around and then singing and dancing. Yeah, so hubby wanted some homemade pizza and I decided to make this for everyone in the house. So the tomato sauce, I did this fresh made tomato sauce. I added fresh tomato and onions, black pepper, garlic, Italian seasoning, and a little bit of oregano. Then I mix everything together and allow it to simmer for a while, and the sauce was ready. So I've already put my tomato sauce on top of the pizza dough. Now I'm adding ham. I'm adding smoked ham, and after I add smoked ham, I'm going to be adding some other toppings you will see in a bit. So this is what my pizza looks like. I added black olives and green olives for this pizza. I'm doing 2 different kinds of pizza, so you see the next one in a bit. This looks so satisfying, guys. So to start up with the second pizza, I'm going to pour flour on my table, then add the pizza dough. Okay, then I'll mix it around the flour, and I'll flatten it, same thing I did in the beginning. Then here we added green pepper, red pepper, yellow pepper, some onions, and mushroom with black olives and green olives. And this is like a veggie kind of pizza. This was so delicious. I added the cheese after it has cooked for like 10 to 15 minutes if you're using a double oven, like up and down. 10 to 15 minutes, your pizza is ready. And I added cheese, more cheese, because hubby loves plenty cheese on his pizza. So I added more cheese, and this is what our pizza looks like. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Alright, so I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.